We still see many people using turmeric the wrong way in their daily lives. Also known as curcumin, it is an amazing anti-inflammatory. There are many papers and scientific studies which compare turmeric to anti-inflammatory medications sold in drugstores, and show turmeric's therapeutic power in treatments for pains, arthritis, arthrosis, etc. If you want to know more, just click on the video being suggested to you. Anti-inflammatory drugs can cause many side effects when used for a long time. For example, they can overburden the liver, which may cause hepatic steatosis, also known as fatty liver disease. If you use turmeric for a long time, you will notice the reverse happening. Turmeric stimulates healing and avoids the fibrosis that happens in liver cells, thus improving the organ's functioning. Not to mention that it also reduces joint pains, improving function and articular mobility. There are also many other amazing benefits for those who use turmeric the right way, every day. For example, heart ally curcumin reduces the bad cholesterol, reduces diabetes, and regulates blood pressure. By doing so, it improves heart health, making it stronger. Gets your brain in fit form. According to studies, curcumin has several neuroprotective properties, including an improvement on cognition. So, to reduce the chances of developing neurodegenerative diseases, such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, it's recommended to ingest turmeric. Improves digestion and weight loss. Turmeric facilitates protein digestion and eliminates toxins from the liver. According to research published at the Journal of Nutrition, this spice helps with weight loss by preventing fat production and accelerating metabolism. Prevents cancer. Turmeric is a truly an anti-cancer spice. According to studies, there is a possible link between age and cancer, the old age disease. Curcumin can help fight leukemia, and gastrointestinal, breast, ovary, and many others tumors. Facilitates healing. Being a natural and very potent antiseptic and antibacterial, turmeric helps with burns and cuts, and is also good in the treatment for psoriasis. People with acne and oily skin can also get good results from the spice. Good mood. Forever. Did you know that even your mood can improve when you start using more turmeric in your daily life? It has great effects when used to treat depression. But there are many people using this powerful natural remedy the wrong way, and so, they can't get all the benefits it has to offer. Learn the right way to consume turmeric and potentialize your nutrient absorption. To use turmeric and get all these amazing benefits, you should use piperine, also known as a natural anti-inflammatory extracted from black pepper. It is great for the body, and increases 20 times the absorption of turmeric, B-complex vitamins, vitamin A, and selenium. Piperine also boosts your metabolism, facilitating fat burning. Besides black pepper, using good fats will help your body absorb turmeric. For this mixture, opt for olive oil, coconut oil or ghee. But, how can you ingest this mixture in a pleasant way? A good option is coffee. We have already talked about drinking coffee and coconut oil, which has an energizing effect, and mixing these 4 ingredients can be a great way to get all the benefits from turmeric. You can follow this recipe. In a cup of black coffee, add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, and a pinch of black pepper. Use a hand mixer to mix everything and it's ready. If you don't like coffee, another good option is to make a salad dressing with these 3 ingredients. The combination of these 3 powerful ingredients will make it easier for your body to absorb all the nutrients and get all the benefits.